Apple Watch users can use the eye icon to pair the Apple Watch with the iPhone manually or unpair the Apple Watch from the iPhone. Let's enjoy an easy and precise tutorial. To get this icon on the startup screen, like this, move to Apple Watch home screen. Press the digital crown button to move to the Apple Watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app and click the gear icon. Scroll to General and tap on it. Again, scroll to Last and tap on Reset option. Now, tap on Erase All Content and Settings option. Enter your Apple Watch lock screen passcode. Once you do it, wait for your Apple Watch to show the Erase All options by swiping down the screen. As you can see on video screen, your Apple Watch will take 2 to 3 minutes. Once erased successfully, your iPhone will show the Pair Apple Watch screen like this. Bring your iPhone near your Apple Watch to pair. Tap on I button at the bottom for more settings. Select your country from the next screen. Go with the Start Pairing option and tap on it. Again, see the eye icon at the bottom right corner. And here's your Apple Watch name. Use this name to select your Apple Watch for manual pairing. On your iPhone, open the Watch app and tap on Start Pairing option. Select the pairing option, Set up for myself. Choose the option, Pair Apple Watch manually on iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, your iPhone will display your Apple Watch name. As you can see on your Apple Watch and iPhone screen, as you can find this name under the Apple Watch eye icon. Tap on Apple Watch name showing on iPhone screen. Enter the 6-digit code on the iPhone, displaying on the Apple Watch screen. And verify the device with the confirmation. Your iPhone will automatically pair and start setup after a few seconds. Find the Restore option or Setup as a new Apple Watch. I am selecting Setup as a new Apple Watch. Follow the on-screen instructions on your iPhone and Apple Watch to set up. If you have any problems and confusion, post your question in the comment box. During this setup, your iPhone may ask you to enter your Apple ID and password. After the Apple Watch syncs, my Apple Watch is usually accessible with a hello screen. That's it. Now, the second way to find I button is from the Watch app on iPhone. Open the Watch app on your iPhone under the My Watch tab at the bottom left corner. Tap on All Watches option at the top left corner. See I button next to your paired Apple Watch. Please scroll down on the screen and find the Apple Watch details like model number, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth address, and the option for Unpair Apple Watch or Find My Apple Watch option. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.